So, I was watching Reels the other day on Instagram, and I came across this classic car that had dice hanging in the mirror, and I thought, that'd be pretty cool to put in the helicopter. So I ordered some. They need a dangle. There we go. Wait. Plug in Zoe and I's weight here. You want me to blur your weight, babe? Yeah, 130. Okay, fine, 125.
Engine out.
Turn that alarm off. And fuel on board sync. We're good. Confirm. Go to the engine page. Hit OK on there. We've got our standard 6 plus the autopilot. That'll take a second and go away. Check our messages. That'll all go away by the time it gets spooled up. Now we wait just a minute, let everything load in. Alright, 26.1, we're ready to start. We got our standard 6 lights. Start us up.
That one?
Yeah, take that, push it in and over.
That way?
Yes.
How long?
Just let go. Pressure's coming up. Put our hand on here in case we need to turn something off. Alright, well Zoe's messing with her headset. Let's get our ATIS information.
Backcountry information, Charlie, 1954, Zulu, wind 0106, temperature 22, dew point -06, altimeter 3006. Visual approach, runways 4 right and left in use. Notice air emissions, ATIS phone line out of service. Bravo south runway center line, contact tower 124.6. North runway center line, contact tower on 119.7. Advises contact, give information, Charlie.
Pocket Tower, helicopter 505, Echo X-ray at heli put on select, go northbound with information, Charlie.
Backcountry 505, Echo X-ray, Falcon Terror. Depart from heliport on speed return risk. Cross midfield at 1,900, then northbound approved.
Cross midfield 1,900, then northbound approved, 505, Echo X-ray.
There's a plane crossing midfield right above us, just so you know.
Okay.
You should be like right above us. Okay, no,
I got him.
3571, change in sequence follow the Archer heading to your left turning funnel.
What's so funny, Tower?
I know.
Product 83, turn direct the numbers.
Direct numbers, Product 83.
3571, follow the Archer heading to your right. S turns to the right approved if you need.
S turns to the right approved, Oxford 3571, follow the Archer.
Archer 8572, extend down.
Extend down, Oxford 8572.
So we are headed to an airstrip on the Verde River called Red Creek, and this airstrip was pretty much abandoned and brought back to life by the Arizona Pilots Association and the Recreational Aviation Foundation. The two of those groups work together to essentially bring it back, clean it up. I'm sure there'll be people out there. It's a common spot anymore, especially on a Sunday. Although I don't need an airstrip like that in the helicopter, we can pretty much, if I fits, I sits. I appreciate and I'm happy that there's groups like that working to keep general aviation and backcountry aviation alive, especially you don't see too many young people getting into it as much as there is old people, and as those older generations start to time out, I think it's important to keep these airstrips open and keep it going for younger generations.
Years to come.
Yeah. So I figured we'd go out there and check it out. Oh, I see it.
Right there.
We're like midfield. You see the windsock down there?
Yeah.
Right now we got a 2 knot headwind, 6 knot headwind, 5 knot headwind, 1 knot headwind, 3 knot headwind. All right. So winds are coming at us. So we'll kind of land midfield, or actually we'll land down to the end of the runway. Nobody's here. Got the place to ourselves.
Nice. There's little rodents scurrying around.
Yeah, you better hang on to your snacks. They're gonna come for them.
I know.
What'd you bring us?
Everything except the kitchen sink.
I'll take a Chips Ahoy.
Peanut, that's not Chips Ahoy.
Or
Famous Amos.
yeah, some of those. Mm. You know, the best thing about these running boards has nothing to do with flying. It's just a really good place to sit and eat your snacks. All right, well, Zoe finishes her snacks. I'm gonna throw the drone up since I haven't flown my drone in so long. I don't even remember how to fly the damn thing. Yeah, it's a little chilly.
Oh.
That would not be a bad camp spot. We might have to come back out here. That's cool.
Yeah.
Walk down to the water.
Probably wouldn't have done that if we hadn't.
Yeah, if you hadn't encouraged us to go down there.
Yeah, so that was
So,
nice.
It'd actually be a great spot to come camp. The only problem is the camp spot is pretty far from the runway, and carrying all of our stuff down there would not be very fun. I guess we could camp here, but also camping at a runway kind of defeats the purpose of the helicopter. But we can't really land down there close to the water because that's all wilderness area. Wanna play horseshoes?
I was gonna say, have you ever played horseshoes?
Nope.
Are they heavy?
No.
2.5 pounds.
Yep. Nope. I'll stick to flying.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Oh shit. Exactly like the last one.
So we got a picnic table, fire pit,
Umbrella.
some shovels to maintain the runway,
A wheelbarrow.
an umbrella. It's probably seen better days. All right, got it.
Uh-oh.
Caution, terrain, terrain.
I've got it.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say it's a cool spot.
It is a cool spot.
This bug is getting transplanted. I hope you like city life. So we got a little sidetracked when that other plane came in,
It was fun.
but it was fun.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have walked down to the water if he had encouraged us to or led us down there.
Yeah, he knew more about that place than we did. We've been there
Yeah,
before several
yeah.
times.
Yeah. Let's get our ATIS information.
Backcountry Mission Foxtrot, time 22540, wind calm, temperature 23, dew point -8, altimeter 2996. Visual approaching us by 4, left 90s. All arrivals contact tower 124.6. Advise contact, you have Foxtrot.
Falcon Tower, helicopter 505, Echo X-ray, 6.5 miles to the east, inbound for heli opponent system information, Foxtrot.
Foxtrot 8988, contact Phoenix departure, have a good day.
Contact Phoenix departure, Oxford 8988. Good day.
Helicopter 505, X-ray, correction, Echo X-ray. Maintain at or above 1,000, correction, at or below 1,900. Landing over your own risk, use caution. Falcon altimeter 2995.
At or below 1,900, at land up house on risk, 5, Echo X-ray.
Foxtrot 3571, make a left 180 for runway 22 left. Join the downwind for 22 left.
Left 180, 22 left, Foxtrot 3571.
Flight support 2 Lima Mike, make a left 180, join the downwind for runway 22 left.
Left 180 for 22 left, left downwind 22 left, 172 Lima Mike.
Cherokee 7812, November, in the middle of a runway change. Are you able to make a 180 without crossing the whole short bars?
All right, guys, thanks for joining us, checking out one of Arizona's backcountry airstrips. We're going to get cleaned up here and go home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.